exhale, touching nose, sit, stone. And then lift your arms out to the spine, your balance, and the chin in, and position. And then rolling your, really try to lift your head and shoulders up. Inhale, you reach, and just sit, close your eyes. Or more like lift your legs in line with your forward.